Hey, this is Clayton with Everything Ponds. Welcome to the 5th video of our series on liners, and this one is about puncturing the liner. So a lot of people phone and they want to know, can they puncture the liner? And of course the answer is yes. With any of the liners we sell, EPDM, RPE, even the box welded liners, which are made of polypropylene, any of those you can put a bulkhead fitting to puncture the liner if you want to. So I usually tell people, if you can help it, maybe don't puncture the liner, but of course you can. So here's a few ways you can do it. The first is a bulkhead fitting. So that's if you need to bring a pipe through the wall of a liner or through the bottom or anything like that. You need to get a pipe from the outside to the inside. Bulkhead fitting is a great way to do that. Basically it just involves cutting a circle in the liner, fitting this pipe fitting from either side, screwing it together. It's a pressure fit, put some silicone in there, and you get a nice leak-free seal. You can then use a threaded PVC fitting to attach a pipe. That's a really nice way to do it. That's probably the way to go for anything small, like a small pond where you're using, 3-inch PVC or less. Sometimes on these big ponds, let's say it's a big irrigation pond or a lake, some situation where you have a large pile or a pipe and you need to seal around that, it's obviously the bulkhead fitting, it's going to be pretty hard to find one that big. In that case, we can actually build a pipe boot, it's called. We can supply it as a kit to install yourself, or if you tell us where about you want it, we can actually install it before the liner leaves the facility, just put it right in the liner for you. It's basically, it looks like a top hat with the top cut off, and it slides over the pipe, and you can tape it down with a waterproof tape, or even better, you can heat weld it down. Other situations you might see are bottom drains. It's very similar to a bulkhead fitting. It's just a specialized fitting with a dome over the top so that fish don't get sucked down in the drain. Same principle, totally fine with any of those liners. Another application where you might want to puncture the liner is a skimmer, and basically any of the liners we sell, it just involves cutting a hole through the liner and installing the skimmer in such a way that the water flows into the skimmer. And the skimmer actually sits outside the liner, not inside like some people think. And so that's another situation. Totally fine. Use some silicone. It's a compressive seal on the liner. So I hope that answered that question. Basically, it's a simple answer. Yes, you can do anything you want, really. And if you have any questions about doing something specific, just give us a call. Otherwise, we're going to move on to our next video in the series, which is all about fabricating and shipping and packaging the liner. What's it going to look like when you get it, and what do you do with it once you get that? So if you want to hear more, stay tuned. Otherwise, thanks for checking it out. Have a good day.